ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. 19 ಮತ್ತು 22ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ನಾನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರ DDP ಆಫೀಸಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, an electric bulb is rated 220 volts and 100 watts. When it is operated on 110 volts, what will be the power consumed? Option A 100 watt, option B 75 watt, option C 50 watt, option D 25 watt. ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 42 coulomb is the SI unit of A electric current, B electric charge, C potential difference, D resistance. Option B is the right answer, electric charge. Question number 43, how much current will an electric bulb draw from a 220 volts source if the resistance of the bulb filament is 1200 ohm? A 0.18 ampere, B 0.15 ampere, C 0.16 ampere, D 0.17 ampere. Option A is the right answer, 0.18 ampere. 44, the function of voltmeter in an electric current. Option A, reverse the direction of current, B measure the rate of flow of current, C protects the electrical equipments, D measure the potential difference. The function of voltmeter is option D is the right answer, measure the potential difference. 45, the total resistance in the parallel circuit. A increases, B decreases, C neutral, D 0. B is the right answer, decreases. 46, the positively charged particle, alpha particle, projected towards west is deflected towards north by the magnetic field. The direction of the magnetic field is A towards south, B towards east, C downward, D upward. Option D is the right answer, upward. In Fleming's left hand rule, the thumb represents electric current, B the direction of the motion of the conductor, C magnetic field, D none of the above. B is the right answer, the direction of the motion of the conductor. 48 question, the function of the commutator is option A increases the flow of electric current, B decreases the flow of electric current, C current flows in the forward direction, D reverses the direction of flow of current. Option D is the right answer, reverses the direction of flow of current. 49, where the image formed when an object placed beyond 2f1 of a convex lens. Option A in between f2 and 2f2, option B 2f2, option C beyond 2f2, option D at infinity. Option A is the right answer, in between f2 and 2f2. 50 question, the power of the concave lens of focal length 2 meter. Option A plus 0.5 diopter, option B minus 0.25 diopter, option C plus 0.5 diopter, option D minus 0.5 diopter. Calculation ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ D is the right answer, minus 0.5 diopter. Okay, next questions will be discussed in the next videos. Thank you.